Hi, we're at Chobe Game Lodge. We thought we'd give you a quick room tour. Oh my goodness. This is the start of our safari. Where should we start? Let's start in the main room. Come on. How nice is this? They have a welcoming, there's little bougainvillea and they just laid it out so beautifully. And then come out here, our room has a little balcony. And they tell us that the park, like we can sit here at night, but this is in Chobe Game Park and animals can wander freely. So just to get from here to the bar, we have to get an escort, but we can hope that there's things that walk around at night, hopefully.
We can watch from a safe distance.
Yes, that's right. Already in this short time, it took us about a 45-minute drive from our meeting point, which was at the airport. And in that short time, we've seen elephants at the watering hole, giraffes up close, different species of antelope. What else do we see, Normie? Hippo, buffalo. But come in, let us show you more of the room. Okay, I'm just gonna close this. Beautiful, oh, and then beautiful canopy. Just lovely. In this particular lodge, complimentary mini bar, I'm just going to show you the bathroom before we leave because they've got afternoon tea, but check out that bathroom. So what I love is a bathroom with a bath, but look at this one. Oh, so pretty. And then, I can't remember what kind of style of tile is this. It's amazing. And then they also have a separate shower, welcoming petals. We're off to afternoon tea. Bye.